about how can you add trading pair on your KuCoin app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign or your photo, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do now, just click here on settings. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on market tracker, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on floating window and you come to this list. Then you come here to add trading pair, click on add here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here can you find here, and here can you add it here when you click on search. So just click on add coins here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you here to add it in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.